Good afternoon, my dear students. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss transmission electron microscopy. See, this is the schematic view of the transmission electron microscopy. Now, just we have to discuss principle and working. Transmission electron microscopy is a microscopy technique in which a beam of electrons is transmitted through an ultra thin specimen. Now, in detail, transmission electron microscope, it produces black and white images, high resolution images. In this microscope, energetic electrons are produced. And I told you in the last video, in the vacuum chamber, the air is removed by vacuum pump. So the electrons can easily travel without any problems. The electrons travel through multiple electromagnetic lenses. I told you in the last video, a set of electromagnetic lenses are adjusted. So electrons travel through multiple electromagnetic lenses. The beam contact with the screen and electrons are converted to light and form an image. See, when the beam gets contacted with screen and the electrons are then converted to light, and after that they form an image. The image can be manipulated by adjusting the voltage. We can adjust the voltage in a tube. The image is focused on a photographic plate. The samples are sliced so that greater number of electrons pass through the sample. See, this is the image. So in the examination you have to draw this simple image. This is the electron gun. This is the anode. These are the condenser lens. This is the specimen. This is the objective aperture lens. This is intermediate lens. This is the projector lens. And this is the fluorescent screen you see here. Already I explained the working. Now, what are the advantages and disadvantages? A transmission electron microscope is an impressive instrument with a number of advantages. It offers the most powerful magnification, potentially over 1 million times or more. See, simply we get most powerful magnification. They have a wide range of applications and can be utilized in a variety of different scientific, educational and industrial fields. They provide information on element and compound structure. Images are high quality and detailed. They are able to yield or give information of surface, features, shape of the object, size of the object and detailed structure of the object. They are easy to operate with proper training. Means the operator should be given the proper training so that he can adjust voltage, computer, screen, everything. What are the disadvantages? They are large and very expensive. Laborious sample preparation means the operator has to, before carrying out the final operation, initially the labor has to conduct the experiments till he or she get the satisfactory results. Operation and analysis requires special training. I told you. Samples are limited to those that are electron transparent, able to tolerate the vacuum chamber and small enough to fit in the chamber. TEMs require special housing and maintenance. Images are black and white. Applications. TEM microscope is ideal for a number of different fields such as life sciences, nanotechnology, medical, biological, and material research, forensic analysis, gemology, and metallurgy, as well as industry and education. They provide topographical, morphological, compositional, and crystalline information. The images allow researchers to view samples on a molecular level, making it possible to analyze structure and texture. On a molecular level, okay, the researchers can find the results. This information is useful in the study of crystals and metals, but also has industrial applications. It can be used in semiconductor analysis and production and the manufacturing of computer and silicon chips. Technology companies use TEMs to identify flaws, fractures, and damages to micro-sized objects. This data can help fix problems and or help to make more durable, efficient product. Colleges and universities can utilize TEMs for research and studies. Although electron microscopes require specialized training, students can assist professors and learn TEM techniques. Students will help the opportunity to observe a nano-sized world in incredible depth and detail. Thank you.